more, and discover how you can power up your dreams here in the biggest motorcycle event in the country. Make your way to the Honda booth now. Honda Philippines Incorporated welcomes you to the country's biggest motorcycle event, Makina Moto Expo 2026.
Let me hear that energy once again, Honda fans. Are you ready? If you are, let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, the NX 500 2026 year model in Pearl Horizon White. Also available in matte gunpowder black metallic. At its core is a 471cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke 4-valve DOHC parallel twin engine paired with a 6-speed transmission. And now equipped with Honda's e-clutch technology, a unique Honda Big Bike feature that allows riders to start, stop, and shift gears without using the clutch lever, delivering effortless control through pedal shifting alone for enhanced riding convenience. The NX 500 also comes loaded with premium features, including a 5-inch TFT meter display, Honda Road Sync app connectivity, assist and slipper clutch, Honda selectable torque control, 2-channel anti-lock braking system, and an emergency stop signal for added safety and confidence on every ride. All of these are offered at a suggested retail price of 419,000 pesos and will be available in the market this April 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, the CB650R 2026 year model in Grand Prix Red. Also available in matte gunpowder black metallic and matte jeans blue metallic. Built around a 649cc liquid-cooled 4-valve inline 4-cylinder engine, it delivers a perfect balance of smoothness and power, whether you're cruising through city streets or opening it up on the highway. What elevates the riding experience even further is Honda's e-clutch technology, giving you the freedom to start, stop, and shift gears without using the clutch lever, making every ride more effortless, intuitive, and enjoyable. Completing the package is a suite of premium features, including a 5-inch TFT display with Honda Road Sync, Honda selectable torque control, assist and slipper clutch, emergency stop signal, and 2-channel ABS, all engineered to deliver enhanced control, safety, and connectivity on every ride. The CB650R is offered at a suggested retail price of 565,000 pesos for e-clutch variant, while the standard variant is priced at 525,000 pesos and will be available in the market this April 2026. Introducing the Honda's first full-size electric vehicle, the Honda WN7 2026 year model, available in graphite black. The Honda WN7 isn't just about looks. It's packed with intelligent technologies engineered to elevate every ride. Key features include a smart key, dual projector headlights with daytime running light, a 5-inch TFT display with Honda Road Sync, walking speed mode with forward and reverse, selectable speed limit assist, selectable deceleration power levels, USB Type-C socket, multiple riding modes, and an emergency stop signal. All designed to deliver greater control, safety, and confidence in every situation. The innovation doesn't stop with the ride. The Honda WN7 offers versatile charging options to fit your lifestyle. Our convenient normal charging gets you ready up to 2.5 hours. But for those on the move, the powerful bike takes a quick charging from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes, bringing unmatched convenience to electric riding. And to top it off, the Honda WN7 electric vehicle has won the Gold Award with the highest honor in the product design discipline of the IF Design Award, a testament to Honda's excellence in innovation and design. This is the future of riding today. Experience the perfect blend of performance, technology, and convenience. The Honda WN7 will be available in the Philippine market this coming June 2026.
Ito na, nasa harap na natin ang NX500 na e-clutch. Grabe. Whew! Kung dati gustong gusto ko to, ngayon gusto ko na siya. Ganda ng pagkakaano ngayon, pagkaka-percent nung, grabe. Para siyang naging bulky, no? Siguro dahil dito sa ganda. Ang ganda ng color na dinagdag dito. Tapos iniisip ko rin, parang nag-iba yung ano niya. Ito pa rin ba yung gulong na ginagamit natin sa stock? Lambot pa rin. bagong colorway, red. Okay. Ano naman, oh? Parang lumit ba? Ito maganda, oh. Ginawa na nilang black. So, yung 2024, 25, gray siya. Ito, black na glossy. As usual, dito pa rin yung e-clutch. Umbok pa rin. So, I think, hindi ko sigurado, no? Pero check natin kung ano yung mga nabago for 2026. Pero I think, ang newly introduced lang talaga is yung kulay. The rest are the same. So, pero yun, ganda ng pagka-red niya. Kasi yung red na 2024, 25 is medyo maroon. Boss Kenji. Hi. Boss Kenji, tingin lang ha. Dito sa harap natin ngayon ng CB1000 RR SP na pref. Fireblade, ano? Yeah. Ito ang itsura ng cockpit, no, ni Fireblade. So ito yung kanyang panel. Ito yung kanyang electronically adjusted na front suspension. And then dito binubuksan niya, no, dito. Yan, dyan binubuksan yung Fireblade. Ganda, oh. No, nakaupo ka dito. Diba? Ganda, oh. Racing. Meron na merong lubog dito sa tangke niya. Fireblade pala, dalawa yung ano dito, no? Yung tubo. Nakikita nyo? Dalawa yan. So, kapag simula na yung bike, so yung isa lang yung gagana, tapos pag mataas na yung RPM, I think 80 or 90 kph, magbubukas yung isa, kaya nag-iiba yung tunog nito pag mataas na yung RPM niya. And of course, ang Honda Goldwing na pwede ka magdala ng sala set sa kalsada. Meron kang sofa sa kalsada. Mamaya tingnan natin yan. Ito, baterya. Ito ata yung baterya, eh. So ito yung fully electric na bagong bike ni Honda. Ilang cc ba to? Grabe. Dito pwede ba sa baha to? Ganda ng tingnan yung body, ang ganda. Napaka futuristic. Tapos single swing arm. Ganda. Meron tayong normal charging, meron tayong charging. Oh. So meron siyang normal charging tsaka quick charging. Ito yung normal charging ata. Yan ba to? O parang sa kotse lang din, ano?
Compatible yan sa mga PY.
Wow.
Normally.
Anong range, sir? Anong range niya? Anong range? 140 kilometers. Tapos 129. Oh, okay. So, ano siya? 140. 140 yung range. Bago malobat. 129 top speed. Parang ano lang, ADP. Pala speed. Ganda ng ganda ng upuan. Pero ito, I think siya, plastic build siya. Plastic. So plastic ito. Syempre itong chassis. Ano to? Bakal na to. Ganito yung charger niya. Single swing arm. Ganda. Ganda. Ito yung likod niya. Para siyang, ang naaalala ko dito ay CB1000. Flat foot naman, no? Ganyan, para ka lang naka Honda Navi na medyo malaki, no? Maganda kung touchscreen ito. So, ganun din siya. Okay. Para din siyang ano, TFT nung ano, CB. Ganda na TFT pa. Okay, no? Dami naman nito. Controls nito. Daming controls dito. Sarap nito, no? Para kang ano, para kang nasa sofa. Pwede ka umiga. Sana ma-test ride natin to soon, no?